So this is what we got instead. It hooks on right to the end of the wand. Let's go ahead and get this set up and see how it works. I am thoroughly impressed. I don't think this thing was going to do that good. Alright guys, I just got done with the thing pressure washing this. Now I'm going to take the regular yellow nozzle and spray it off. I apologize that these videos are kind of choppy, but at the end of the day, this is how I make half of my living. I work full-time as a welder. I do about 48 to 50 hours a week. I go in 6 to 4:30. Right now, it being winter time, 4:30 to 6, that's about an hour and a half. Really, it's about an hour once I get on the job, so it takes me 3 or 4 days to get done with the job. Guys, I would ask if you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And the more subscribers I gain, the better I'll have the opportunity to make better videos. That being said, guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, good morning. Today is Monday. The video I'm about to show you guys is a 2-day gutter cleaning job that I did last week. I cleaned out 2 giant garages, 50 foot long, and then a giant house, which was about 200 foot of gutter. Probably about 8 hours. You know, this is not your average 2 hour job. I mean, this is gutters that probably hadn't been cleaned in years. I mean, I tried to blow it out with a leaf blower, but it just was too caked up. Downspouts were clogged. I mean, it had 2 inches of sediment in the gutters, in every foot of gutter. Then I went back through and cleaned it out with a power washer, but it's bits and pieces of clips. My GoPro is acting up on me, you know, and I can't go out, and I really don't want to spend another $400 or $500 on GoPros and batteries right now until I start earning some revenue on the channel. So if you like what you see, want to support this channel, like, share, definitely subscribe, and definitely share it with your family and friends if anybody interested in this kind of work. I work full-time as a welder, and I do this part-time. So yeah, enjoy the channel, enjoy the video. That was extremely easy, dude. Got almost halfway done with it in that one little thing.
Do you gotta do all 4?
Yeah, that one, and all the house on the house. But they're simple though. Wow.
Dang, that's a lot.
Really clean up. And so again, that's what we're doing. And all we did, like I said, was clean the gutters out. But take 30 minutes, an hour, if you have it. So go ahead and clean up, because you know they're gonna call you back and ask you to do something else. Let's go ahead and get wrapped up this evening, Squirt. All right, like I said, we did the front side of that. That's 45 foot, 45 foot, 45 foot, and 45 foot. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it was some dirt and grime in that son of a gun. But we're doing it for a good Christian man. He's actually a preacher. And yeah, that's pretty exciting. But yep, got the 2 garages cleaned off, and now all we got to do is the house. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this day up, get everything squared away, packed up in the truck, and call it a day. Get this hard-working man right here home. Homeowner, he's got a big old pond with a faucet in there, in it. He's got a daggone creek coming out right there, going here, going over the bridge and back into the pond, which is amazing. What's feeding this creek is the pond. Yeah, they said they lived here since '78. Come on, Ken, get in here with it. Get in here, take a video. Alright guys, I hope y'all doing good today. What we got going on today is we have a customer that wants her driveway scraped. She's thinking about getting it asphalted or concreted. I could do the concrete. If she wants it asphalted, have to get somebody else to do that. But we are down here right now. We're gonna start the tractor, get it good and warm, go hook up the scrape, the yard rake, landscape rake, and then she just lives right up the road from my house. Get down here, Cole. Get off.
Actually, Dad. Stop.
No. I've got to go do stuff. know, up in the flower bed, weed eating over there, weed eating around this. And just right over there. So you're probably looking, they want it by week, they want it every 2 weeks. So we're probably looking at 70, I'd say 75 every 2 weeks. And that's not bad at all. That's a good price. Guys, like, share, subscribe. I hope you enjoy the content. Short video, but I got off my full-time job and came and did this little side job. As far as how much we make on jobs like this, that's really nobody's business. If you want to message me or something, we'll talk about it, how much I charge. But that's just something that the homeowner and myself mutually probably agree that stuff like that's not public knowledge. Not something the public doesn't need to know. But we want to go ahead and get that, wrap this job up, get on back to the house. Like, share, subscribe, guys.